Right, so these are some of the best premium, well, more expensive than average cases for the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, and because I get that some people don't want to spend more than $15 on a case, I've included a couple of options that feel premium but don't have the high price tag. I'll start with the most expensive option on my list, the Bellroy leather wallet, which combines the wallet making expertise of Bellroy with a flip wallet case. The result is a superb premium leather carry case option. The soft touch leather feels superb. There's room for 2 credit cards, a SIM eject tool and an extra SIM card inside, although unfortunately there is no room for banknotes. It's very professional looking no matter the colour you choose, and it's a great option if you want something a little bit more high end. Sticking with Bellroy for those that don't want a wallet style option, and the simple leather case is arguably my favourite case on this entire list. The soft touch leather matches the quality the Australian brand have become renowned for. I love the complete coverage and I wanted something that was made from premium materials, slim and wasn't a plain black or boring brown colour. The coral is my favourite, although the button cutouts could have been a little bit more pronounced. Overall, this is a superb case that definitely keeps your Pixel 3 XL safe. Otterbox cases are not cheap, but with good reason. They offer unrivaled protection for those that take their smartphones into the harshest work environments. The thickness of the Symmetry case is what makes it a superb option. It feels almost bulletproof, not that it is though. The rubber sides add extra grip, and although this is not slim, if you add a screen protector, I can foresee this being a superb option for people out there that want a truly hardcore case, but still want to admire their device. Speck makes some of the most consistent cases, and the Presidio Grip is absolutely no different. It's thick but thin, if that makes sense, and then the textured back is great for giving extra reassuring grip, with the soft touch interior meaning you know your Pixel 3 is going to be safe when kept inside. I think the button cutouts are superb and reassuring when you want to press any of the side buttons. I have the Desert Rose colour, which is most definitely my favourite option. The Speck Presidio Grip is still one of the best options for any phone, let alone the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. So this is the first of our premium but not quite premium priced cases. Spigen makes some of the best cases period, so it probably shouldn't come as a shock. The thin fit, especially in mint, is superb. It won't offer masses of drop protection, but it will keep that back glass protected and it looks good whilst doing so. Personally, I'd say it's like one step up from a skin in terms of feel when on the back of your device, which will appeal to those that want something ultra lightweight. The best thing is, it's the cheapest on this entire list too. My go-to case for every single phone, the Spigen Tough Armour in any shade of pink or lilac is always what I opt for, so without the sand pink Pixel 3, this was the next best option. The soft but tough hard rubber inner is encased in a hard plastic coloured outer shell that gives the Tough Armour the reassuring rigidity when held. I like the textured button covers, and the flat sides make it actually easy to find and press. I can't say I use the kickstand, but it's there if you want it. Again, I'd have to say this feels superb for the price, which again is pretty low. So there you have it, a super quick roundup of 5 cases that I've personally picked up for my Pixel 3 XL, and I think if you want something a little bit more premium, then you'll be pleasantly surprised. All of these options would also work as a last minute gift for a loved one, friend or family member, or simply just for a special occasion. If you'd like to check them out, then direct links are below. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more Android and Google focused content just like this. Thank you again for watching, but until next time, this is Damien for 9to5Google, and I will speak to you later.